So here we are in Gala Yuzawa. So we start here with a new run. Let's see how this one goes. Goes all the way to the left. Let's see what we will find here. Snow is still decent, but the temperature is rising with the sun, so that's not too nice. Let's see what we can find. It's a slow run. It's a wavy run. It's still decent snow. Ooh, slippery. I like at least that the sun is coming out. We have some curves. I should have stretched a bit. I already feel it in my back, my ribs. I'm trying to figure out if there's any off-piste run here. I don't think so. It's very slow here. It's a green run, so there's not much to find here. Let me see here. And it's so tricky, the snow. I'm still a bit warming up. It's my second run of the day. Is it here maybe? There's one run which should not be have ridden. Which, oh, okay. It's this one. Okay, let's continue here. Are we good? We are good. Let's continue with this green line then. Nothing to do about it. I think we will probably go to the west side or the east side, but because here the snow is not bad, but it's getting slushy. See, there's not much powder to find here. There's also no other way for me to go anywhere to get a bit of powder, but this is decent. Still, the snow is pretty decent for I think the temperature. So let's go all the way down. I think I need to get some speed, or is it not even a ride here? No, I have to go up here, I think. Let's go straight. Let's take this elevator and do another run. This elevator goes up to, what is it, the east side of the resort, with some green routes actually going both sides. So maybe there's some powder snow to be found there. Who knows? I could actually try it. But I first want to go to the west side of this map and see if there's anything of nice routes there that I can try. But yeah, I do see there some options maybe for some powdery snow, or at least some backcountry routes. But for now it's too hot. Actually, I'm very surprised how good the snow is still here today, even though it's very hot. So let's see how long we can keep snowboarding here today. I will obviously record it for you and you can enjoy it. I don't know. Whew. So we will go all the way down. I need to look. I guess this is, yeah, this is the way straight down, and I have to stay as right as possible. I think that makes sense. So let's go. Start from up here. So let's go. Enjoy some of this route. A bit of slushy, but at least no ice. What would this give? It's so interesting. It's not that bad, but probably could have been way better. Okay, first Japanese powder, if you can call it like this. I'm so scared of hitting some hard snow here. Some of the guides warned me that obviously it's not that good of a powder. Woo! Look at this view. This is indicated as a red one, but I don't know if this is a red one. Not too many people here. Almost alone in Gala Yuzawa. It's a Monday, so maybe that's why. But a beautiful view. People are relaxing, grabbing some sun. This is a good route. I have my friend in front of me, enjoying his carves with his skis, and I'm enjoying mine. Enjoying this pretty good snow actually. I'm very surprised. A bit steeper runs. I hope I'm going the right way. I may hope so. Whoopa, whoopa. No ice for now. Let's go. Look at this view. Amazing valley. Maybe we'll pass my friend in a little bit. Was taking a lot his time. It's an amazing view here of the valley. Ooh, what a view! Very nice. And pretty decent snow. I hope I'm going to the right valley, because I feel like I'm going very low. Maybe not as low as I want. I don't know if I came that way or if I came with this one. Let's enjoy it. It's too late now. Let's see how long the snow stays like this, or when the powder with ice will pop up. Slow down. Let's follow that rule. Bumpy. Hoopa. Nice little turns here. It's a very nice little piece down. A bit difficult here to see difference in terrain. It gets a bit more slushy. But look at this view. Hoopa. I hit the camera. I did. Keep you clean, of course. Here it's a bit dark. My friend. There we go. This is a very nice run all the way down to this elevator here. Slushy is coming in for sure. Nice turn. Very sharp turn. Ice. Ooh. Oh. That was not even ice. It was just, I don't even know what this is. It's fake grass. That's not too good. Yeah, it's good to, you really slow down very easy on these. So did I now go all the way down? I guess I'm all the way down at the beginning, and I'm losing speed here. But this is it. This is the all the way down route from Gala Yuzawa. Finish. So this was my second and third run I did here in Gala Yuzawa, and I really enjoyed it. And as you can see, I also have some special runs I did with a motorcycle, electric motorcycle in the hills in Gala Yuzawa. Was around €50, and I will upload that one a bit later, so feel free to go and have a look at my channel and my other videos, follow me and so on, and then you can keep up to date with all of my experiences here in Japan and other countries, which I really enjoyed. So I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye. So between you finish?